Welcome to this video, which is part one of creating an animation on the dangers of social networks. Okay, so the project focus, as it says in front of you, is going to create a 15-second animation for a website, www.teensafety.com. That's a made-up website, by the way, that helps teenagers understand the dangers of social networks. And the animation will also promote Safer Internet Day, the Safer Internet Day, on the 10th of February 2015. So, how do we go about this? Okay, and this is part one. And in part one, what we're going to do is have a think about what elements we need for our animation. Okay, it's all about planning, really. So the first thing we need to do is collect these resources, okay, and then put them somewhere. Now, what I want you to do is, in your user area, okay, in your 7C folder, okay, I want you to create a folder called animation. Okay, so you would have, let's just change this to 7C. Oops, type in 7C, that would be handy. 7C, and in here create a folder, so new folder, and call it animation. And in this folder here, we're going to add in all of our resources that we find on the internet. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. Okay, so do that. It's going to wait. You might want to pause the video now and come back to it. Okay, welcome back. So we've created this folder, and the first thing we need to do is think about what images we might need. Well, let's go and have a look. So the requirement was Safer Internet Day. So is there a logo for Safer Internet Day 2015? Okay, let's have a quick look. Images. Okay, yeah, there is something here. There's this little character here. Okay, so they've got various things here. So Safer Internet Day. Let's have a quick look at this one. What you've got to check is it's not too pixelated. Okay, that looks okay. The sort of size is it's 1900 by 20 by 10. It's quite big. This is I think they look like quite big logos. There's one here. Let's have a look. Safer Internet Day. That could be used. That's a bit small at 468 by. So that could be like a banner maybe. So let's maybe save that. So if we go right click, save image as, okay, and let's go and find that folder that we were working on. Now on this video I put it somewhere completely different, but you'll go to your Z drive. So go to your animation, and let's always name it, okay, as something sensible. So let's call it Safer Internet Day logo, and that's really easy to remember and add in later. So let's still got a logo. Okay, we could also we might be able to put this character here. That could be quite fun to use. So I wonder if there is somewhere where that character's on his own. Okay, let's have a look at this logo, because what we might be able to do is to crop it or use it in another way. Let's have a look at that logo there. That's quite any problem. It's got that grey background there. We might be able to work with that. What we could do is we go to the website and see if there's something on there. So it's always good to hunt around and check. Okay, so there he is there. He's got a greyish background there. I wonder if we could copy him. Yeah. Maybe we could play around with that. I think probably when it's been created deliberately for with a grey background. Okay, so let's go back to images, and we'll just copy. We can maybe use this. Let's just open this. We can use this and see if that works. So save image, and that's going to be the sort of character. Okay. So Safer Internet Day, and we can use that. What else could we could do? We could see if there's some good social networking logos. social networking logos. We maybe use those for our animation as well. Okay, we've got some here, we've got sort of Twitter and so on, and just maybe there's some here as well. There's Twitter, Facebook, and so on. Is the image quality is quite good, so let's save that image, and we'll call these logos. Yeah, save that. What we could do is get some safety, maybe some eSafety logos. It's not really about cyberbullying, it's about eSafety. That might be quite good, that one there. So that's eSafety. Is that clear? It's a bit pixelated. That one's quite fun. Be safe. Get it with the joke with a be safe. We might want to use that one, so save that image there, and that's the be safe. Okay. Some of these you might not use. Okay. Be safe on the internet, but be smart. That's quite a good one. Save those. And we can always be smart. Keep calm and stay safe. Okay. Also the CEOP one, the sort of that might be quite good too. CEOP logo. Internet safety. So that's the logo that you can click if there's abuse on that website, something you're not happy with. So we can have the CEOP logo, might be quite good. The report abuse one as well, similar sort of one. Report abuse. Okay. What I'd also suggest you do is create a Word document with the things that you want to say. So you might want what you want to say. So you might say never give out personal details. Just planning what you might put on your animation. Never give out, I can't spell, personal information. Keep your settings private. Never put revealing images on the internet. Never get personal. Keep your settings safe and report any abuse. Okay. Well, it could be report anything that you're unhappy with, that you feel uncomfortable with, or you're not quite sure what's going on, it looks a bit dodgy. Report any abuse or concerns. Okay. Now what we can then do with this Word document here is just save that into that folder as well. Okay, keep it all in one place. Okay, so in that animation, Word document, sort of words that you're going to say or things you're going to say, save that. Now if we look at that file now, we've now got some images there that we can use. Okay, and we've got some logos and so on. That will help you with your planning for your animation. Okay, hope that's helped. That's part 1 over. Thanks for watching.